So, we've all signed up for the Le Mans 500 rally.
That's what you're calling it.
That's what it's called.
I thought it was the Limon.
Okay.
We've already got
We've made stickers and everything.
The Le Mans 500. So, everybody will get a sticker for their car and
Fancy.
$500 to spend on their car. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on their car. So the rules are simple. You can spend only $500 on the car up to. You can spend less than $500 if you like. There, you can have that one.
You get no money.
You can spend, that's the whole budget. You can spend up to $100 on repairs, so the total value of the car can be $600. If you buy the car for less money, like if you got it for say $300, you could spend another $300 on repairs. So that your all-in price is $600, cannot exceed $6. The purchase price of the car cannot exceed $5. We have a couple days to find our cars, make sure they're roadworthy. We will be going on a 1,200 kilometer road trip to test our cars. So we did have another contestant, but he couldn't make it to this review, so he is working on a car and will have his decal and his cash at our reveal, which will be in a couple days from now, and the road trip starts the following morning. Any questions?
Nope.
Nope.
May the best woman win.
Right. We all agreed on a location to meet and showcase our new rides. Obviously, I was the first to arrive. I brought this 2003 Infiniti G35 sedan. This car was purchased for $450. It's rear-wheel drive, makes about 280 horsepower. It is the perfect road trip car, and I'm going to show you how on this segment. With my intro out of the way, the next to show up was Amanda and her Chevy Impala.
He thinks he got the better car. Wrong. You're smiling because you're checking out my beautiful car.
It's a nice car, that's for sure.
You like it? Brought my beautiful 2001 Impala. It's a beautiful beast with a 3.4 liter cylinder V6.
3.4 liter cylinder?
Yes.
Wow.
And it seats 6 in the car. And even better than that, if I figure out how to open the trunk, which trunk release still works, I got the 2 dead body model.
Wow.
I can fit 2 dead bodies in there.
That'll come in handy for the sleeping challenge. As we were checking out the Impala, our old retired teacher showed up in his Volvo station wagon.
Nice crack. Nice crack. It's visible.
It creates more of a pan, the reflection off of the crack. So what I brought here, the 2002 Volvo V70 wagon, obviously for comfort reasons. And it has some high Ks, but I still think I'm going to win overall. Has 3 full tires.
3 full tires.
That could use some attention, but we're just going to take a chance on that one. Golden color so that I don't get pulled over by the cops, as Anton will find out will be a problem for you.
Might be. I got the drug dealer edition.
You definitely did.
Yeah.
Maroon with blacked out everything.
And it smells like weed.
Yeah.
And I brought the professional cop edition.
So you just have to
Ghost
tail
car.
them and
We'll
they'll
have
think
you
he's
in the
caught
front,
already.
and they'll be like, "Oh, leave them alone. They're getting escorted." So, is this rattle can or
Well,
is this?
No, it's a professional
body swap?
paint job.
door swap.
Professionally done. Two-tone paint color.
Did you buy it like that?
I
Or did you change the doors?
No, I didn't have to do any work to it.
Yeah, obviously.
Hey, everyone's got a good side and a bad side.
And this is the half a tire that you're bringing?
Yeah.
Yeah, did you notice him showcasing his good side?
You've got a spare?
Maybe. I don't know. Haven't really looked.
When you thought it couldn't get worse, an even older man showed up in his old man car.
This is my 1999 Pontiac Bonneville SSEI. It's a 3.8-liter supercharged. Sadly, only 205 horsepower, but you feel all 205. All leather interior, 9 different adjustments for your seat controls. You get really comfortable.
Let's get on to the challenges.
I got too much to go on.
Okay, so we've all got our cars. We all think that they are road trip ready. So in the morning we will depart on the first leg of our trip. There will be a couple stops along the way, and Isak has got the first challenge for us that we will have to spend tonight getting ready, or getting our cars ready for that challenge. Take it away.
Okay, what do you got?
Okay, so our sleeping challenge for our first challenge of the trip, our first leg of the race, we're going to be staying overnight in our cars. So we're going to have tonight to get everything ready and set the cars up to have the most comfortable, the most private, and the most original setup for sleeping. And you'll be scored based on our point scoring system on those 3 categories. There will be another category that will be announced that night.
But
But you'll just have
this sounds like it's going to be rigged
some
for
surprises and
whoever
hope
brought a
it's
station wagon is going to win this.
good. Oh, I think I've got this in the bag just
You don't get any points for originality when you bring a wagon, because you're going to have to do squats and sleep in it.
well,
I
we'll
think
see.
I think that those seats are going to be really comfortable.
They better be. Because they don't look like that.
Better than the MR2 that I brought last time. Okay, so we're going to meet up tomorrow and start the journey with the cars ready for this first sleeping challenge. And that's it. Do whatever prep work you still got.